Hello, ladies and gents. This is the third exercise, and um, okay, let's see what do we have to do. Um, we have to find the equation. Oh my God. We have to find the equation of a hyperbola with these foci and these asymptotes. Looks similar than the previous one, than question number 3, but this is actually easier because you will see. First, let's find out if it is horizontal or vertical with a quick sketch. 0, 1. Okay, in here is 0, 1 minus the square root of 29. I don't know how much is the square root of 29, but it is lower. Okay, I'm going to subtract a little bit. And 1 plus the square root of 29, then the foci will look like this, and it is a vertical hyperbola. And the equation of a vertical hyperbola goes like this: y minus k squared divided by a squared. Remember that a always goes with the positive in the hyperbola. And this is the rest of it. Okay, I need to find the value of a, b, well, h, k, a, b, and c. And for that, I'm going to use the information that I'm given. I don't know what's going on with my straight lines today. Okay, the vertical foci are given by this formula: h, k plus and minus c. And I'm given these two foci, 0, 1 minus the square root of 29, and and 0, 1 plus the square root of 29. As you can see right away, h is 0. Okay, so take note of that. And this is what I meant when I said this is going to be easier than the previous one, because you can see that the square root of 29 is not included in the calculations of the this part of the coordinate. So it is easy to see that k is 1 and the value for c is the square root of 29, because one of them is being added and the other one is being subtracted. So that's it, the square root of 29. And you're going to love the part of the asymptotes because it is practically the same. Vertical asymptotes are given by this equation, this formula: plus and minus a divided by b times x minus h plus k, right? And we're giving these two equations for the asymptotes: 5 divided by 2, x plus 1, and y equals minus 5 divided by 2, wait a second, minus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. And this is the same case. As you can see, when we do the calculations with the value for h, for k, for a, for b, whatever happens, x is going to be multiplied by this quotient. So 5 divided by 2 is a divided by b. That means that a is 5 and b is 2, right? Okay, so that's it. We only needed to notice that those things to get all the values. And of course, you can also do the check for c. C is supposed to be, c squared is supposed to be a squared plus b squared. And if we substitute the square root of 29 squared is 29, a squared is 5, and b squared is 4. And of course, 29 is the same as 29. So yes, it checks the thing that it's supposed. So our equation will look like this: y minus 1 squared divided by a, that is 25 squared is 25, minus x minus 0 squared divided by b, that is 2 squared is 4. Okay, that is going to be our answer. And okay, let me write it down, saving space for everybody. Y minus 1 divided by 25 minus x minus 0 divided by 4. Check. And thank you.